So I guess this question is about what is it like to have access to all these very nice machines, to see nature at the end, no, or biological material as well. And for artists, I think, like me, it's something very powerful, because you know, you not only can learn how to culture or to take care of insects or bacteria or fungi, but also I found another palette of tools to work with, which is the scientific tools, and also biological matter, and insects and bacteria, etc. So for artists, I think, or I would say, at least for me, it's a world that opens up to express ourselves. And yeah, for example, I could paint with bacteria, you know, like there is different colorful bacteria that we can grow from our skins, yellow, orange, pink. And there is also some bacteria from the skins of other animals and insects with have wonderful colors like violet, green, red, etc. And when I access to this community and to these tools, I was able to, for example, print with bacteria, make designs and print them on layers of gelatin with bacteria. And so I guess, and all this knowledge is open source, so it could be spread to other people, artists or not artists, and also scientists who were curious about it. So I guess having access give a lot of empowerment to the people who use them, and also as an artist, it gives a lot of possibilities to tell stories with moss or with other kind of natural